Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you a card featuring the blue cotton candy paper pack and the fitted stars, stitch stars and the Make-A-Wish die from Suzanne. So I want to show you this first. I'm going to make a card, but I also use the same die, the Make-A-Wish and the stars, for a frame. So for this one I use the Happy frame, the smaller one, so the thinner one. And you can find a video already, Technique Friday with Els, Happy frames, how I put that together. But I think just makes a really nice wall hanging in a baby room. So Make-A-Wish, little shiny star in there. So I wanted to share that one with you. And on this one I used the 12 by 12 paper. But for the card that I'm going to use, I'm going to use the 6 by 6. And let me show you the paper, because it's absolutely beautiful, as all the paper from Moda Scrap is. So this is the 6 by 6 blue cotton candy, and let me flip through it quickly because it's just the beautiful colors and the patterns, watercolor and the little scribbles. Just look at the hearts. Just a fun, beautiful paper pack for babies or toddlers, or just a really. And here you have an extra sheet with was born on, month, day, year, boy, cute, love, and a new baby. And then we have the same one in pink cotton candy. So this is the 6 by 6, but we have the same in 12 by 12. Just beautiful paper. So that's that. So what I'm going to make, so I'm going to make the card. So this is a 6 by 6 card, and the dies I used are the Make-A-Wish, and it comes with the little stars in there as well, and then the stitched stars and the fitted stars, and they work together, of course. So I have a 6 by 6 card, and I'm just going to, I have a piece of Kraft cardstock here, and I'm going to adhere that on there using our 6mm tape. And when I have like a larger surface, I always do one across as well. It's kind of a habit, I think. I just made it a little bit smaller than the card. There we go. And then I have the baby one. I can also, you know, maybe open it like this, so it opens like this, so people can stand it up, which is always nice. I love the look of the paper, like with a soft tone to it, a little bit of kind of watercolor in there. Just beautiful. Chiara does a really great job with that. Her papers are absolutely beautiful. So Chiara Modernini, so all this paper is printed in Italy. It's a very high quality, beautiful cardstock. Center this one. And then I have the star here. And to line up the star, because I want to have it like nicely in there, I actually used a photo glue, or you call it rubber cement here, because then I can wiggle it around for a bit. So I just put some, and in the Netherlands we use that for adhering photos to photo albums, but I think these days there's all kind of different. But this is, and this doesn't leave any marks, so that's why because I want to have it nicely centered in that stitched star. That's why I use that for this one, you see, because now I can wiggle it a bit. That's nice. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on the card. You know, I think I'm going to use a little bit of 3D foam to kind of lift it a bit. So here I have my 3D foam. Just going to put a few parts on there. Just kind of put it in the corners that the tips don't bend down. That should be good. Then I might offset it a little bit. This is just a cute, like for when a baby is born. Yeah, let's offset this a little bit like that. And then I have the Make-A-Wish here. So this one I die cut already with the double-sided adhesive on the back. So you have a sticker right away. And let's see if it comes out nicely. All the parts come out. Let me put this away. See, and otherwise I use a little tweezer. So this is a lighter weight Kraft cardstock. If you have a little bit heavier, it might not cut all the way through, but then it will still have cut through the cardstock and the tape itself, but maybe not all the way through the liner. Sometimes that happens, you see, like this. So depending on the cardstock you're using, but this one actually works pretty well, I see. So make sure all the parts are out. So I'm now going to put it on the card. Beautiful die, beautiful calligraphy from Suzanne. I'm going to offset that a little bit as well. I think that's nice. And then I die cut some of the stars, so that also comes with the set. And some I cut from the front, like die on the cardstock side, and some the other way around. So I'm going to glitter a few as well, or maybe just one in the center here. And I was going to edge a little bit, but I think I'm not going to. Maybe the card itself a little bit. So I'm just going to use those little stars. Maybe here one. And then I'm going to glitter the one in the center. It's kind of a nice touch. So again, all cut with the double-sided adhesive on the back already, so you can just add them to the card. And let me edge the outside a little bit. So I'm using the gathered twigs here. Just the white cardstock a bit. Okay, that's nice. I'm going to bring in my glitter tray. Put the card aside for a second. I'm just going to do the little one here because it's going to fit exactly on that in the center of the Make-A-Wish. And I'm not going to pour the glitter in, I'm just going to take off the release sheet here. Pick it up with my tweezer and just dip it in the glitter. And it's a light brown I'm using here. And just rub that in. Okay, put it away. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there. You can use the kids' glue for that. Just a little bit of glue. Doesn't need a lot. And this will fit exactly. Suzanne thinks about everything. Let's see. And now you have your little glitter star in there, which I think it's a fun little touch there. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I suggested a couple of videos I think you enjoy, and don't forget to download the free project sheet and start your own book, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.